In this video, I'll show you how to reset your fund password on Gate.io step by step. First, open the Gate.io app or website and log into your account. On the main screen, tap your profile icon or go to Account/Security Settings. Here you'll see options like Login Password, Fund Password, and Google Authenticator. Find Fund Password and tap Change or Reset. If you still remember your current fund password, choose the Change option. Gate.io will first ask you to pass a security check, usually with an email code, SMS code, and sometimes a Google Authenticator code. Enter those, then type your old fund password, followed by your new fund password twice to confirm, and submit. If you've forgotten your fund password, choose Forgot Fund Password instead. You'll go through a slightly stricter verification. Confirm your email/phone, complete the 2FA codes, and follow any extra identity prompts on the screen. After that, you'll be able to set a new fund password. Remember, when changing this password may temporarily restrict withdrawals for your security. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.